Hey loves, today's Amazon eyeshadow palette review features the IMagic Pro 30 Color Warm Eyeshadow Palette. I will be showing you how I created this dark purple and pink smoky eye makeup, as well as the full face makeup routine I used to create this look. I purchased the IMagic Pro 30 Color Warm Eyeshadow Palette from Aloe for $13. This palette has a beautiful mixture of browns, oranges, pinks, and purples. To start off my eye makeup, I am highlighting my brow bone with Pearl using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. With the Coastal Scents Classic Detail Crease Brush, I am applying Grape directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am placing Flamingo right above Grape using my Energy M125. Now I am blending together Grape and Flamingo using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow Brush. For my brow bone highlight, I am taking the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright on my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. Using the Coastal Scents Classic Small Shadow Brush, I am applying Sable to the outer and inner thirds of my lid. With the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader, I'm filling in the center of my lid with Tempt Me. Tempt Me is a really pretty purple-pink shadow. It did take some time for me to build up to the opacity that I wanted. I feel like this shadow would look best over a colored base. I am creating my winged liner with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. For mascara, I'm using the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes. I am using the Professional Kiss New York Pro Touch Liquid Foundation in the shade 340 Caramel on my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I am using the Bazic Beauty Pointed Concealer Brush to blend in the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Fawn. To set my concealer, I am using the AOA Perfect Brightening Setting Powder. This powder is amazing. It's only $1. I've been using it for years. I actually need to get a new one. I'm using that on the e.l.f. Selfie Ready Blending Perfector. I picked up a new contour powder. I wanted something a little darker than the Ruby Kisses powder I've been using. So I got the LA Colors Pressed Powder in Cappuccino, and this is the perfect shade. I love it. And I'm applying it using the Real Techniques Mini Multitask Brush. With my e.l.f. Essential Blush Brush, I am applying the Hush Cream Sheer Blush in Merlot. Another great product from AOA Studio. It is so pigmented. Realizing that I went a little heavy on the blush, I am now blending it out with the Real Techniques Mini Buffing Brush. I am applying the Wet n Wild To Reflect Shimmer palette in Boozy Brunch using my AOA F19. I am hydrating my lips with the NYX Bare With Me Seed Oil Lip Conditioner. I'm trying to decide which Nicka lip product I want to use. I have their lip color in Liatris and their lip shine in Bossanova. They're both so pretty. I went with the Liatris lip color. It's the darker of the two, and I felt like it suited this makeup look a lot better. Before I started my face makeup, I applied the Kiss lashes in the style Adore. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Nicka black eye pencil. I am smoking out that black Nicka pencil with the shade Poppy on the Energy M111. Using the Coastal Scents detail pointed brush, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Champagne. The IMagic Pro 30 color warm eyeshadow palette is pigmented, easy to blend, and has an amazing array of colors. I love this dark purple and pink eye makeup that I created today using this palette. And with fall a little over a month away, I have so many exciting warm toned looks planned. Let me know what you think of this makeup look down below in a comment. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look, and until next time, bye loves!